Bro, what the fuck is happening with Shiba, dude? I put in 1,600 bucks yesterday and it's at 23 already. And I'm still holding, well, overall in my portfolio, I'm holding about 411 sheep. This shit's, I'm telling you, bro, this shit's going to the next fucking fib like I did on my, like I told you guys on my TA. I think next support is gonna be the next fib. I forgot what it was, but dude, who the hell is buying all this shit up? Like, it's already at 16, dude. Like, this thing's gonna run so fucking hard. Like, everybody needs to convert. Not like, keep your Ethereum, keep your Bitcoin, keep all the good stuff. But you have, like, you know, if you have shit coins like, you know, NKN, Cello, 1inch, Cortesi, possibly, you know, Solana, Quant, Axie Infinity, take like half off. Amp, Alchemy, whatever, dude. Just buy some fucking Shiba, dude. I have no idea when this thing's gonna stop pumping. And at this point, from what happened to Doggy Coin, Doggy ran like 200 and something X. Doggy did like a 250X from where it was. And Shiba is already breaking all these highs for no fucking reason. Why wouldn't you at least put 100 bucks to see what happens, bro? Like, are you kidding me? Like, at this point, if you're not investing in Shiba, you're just losing money. This is why I told everybody, I'm like, fool's insurance, dude. You never know what's gonna happen. Throw $10, throw 100 bucks, throw 50 bucks. This thing is gonna keep running and I'm just gonna be buying more. I'm currently at 500 million coins. Most of my position is on my Coinbase Pro. But I'm probably gonna be converting every other coin that I have into this to just kind of up it. I want to have at least 1 billion coins by the end of this week. So no idea what's going on. I'm not gonna fight it. I'll see you guys later.